Right, so today is a standard day in October. Our fire alarm started beeping, which I'm assuming means the battery's about to die, I think. So I go there to check if it can, and it says battery not removable. That's the beeping noise it keeps making, which means single use. So got a new fire alarm up there, one that has a changeable battery. But now, this is what you do with your annoying fire alarm that keeps beeping at you. Smoke alarm, whatever. Once you get rid of it, go for it. Still gonna fail.